Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I am doing the random drawing for all of those that purchased items from my Destash last week. I wanted to thank everybody, not only those that purchased, but everybody that stopped by. I really do appreciate. I will not probably be doing another one until next year, but I hope everybody had fun. If you haven't received your goodies, and then you will very shortly. But this Destash is a package that is packed full of all the leftovers plus some, so that anything that I had left from the Destash, which wasn't very much, but I added some other things in there as well. So I hope you enjoy those. So without further ado, let's go ahead and run the drawing. Congratulations, Dee Dee, and thank you to everyone who played. Dee Dee, your package will be sent out in the mail today. Again, thanks so much for joining me this past week for my Crafty Destash, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much.